Hello student, chapter number 8, comparing quantities. In that today we solve exercise 8.1. In that first one, find the ratio of following. In that A, speed of cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of scooter 30 km per hour. Means you just find out ratio of cycle, speed of cycle to the speed of scooter. Okay. So in A, ratio of speed of cycle to the speed of scooter. Okay, so we write down into rational form, that is speed of cycle divided by speed of scooter equal to, that is 15 kilometer and this one is 30 kilometer. Kilometer cut 15 ones are and 15 twos are, that is 1/2. So ratio equal to 1:2. Okay, here we just write down ratio of speed of cycle to the speed of scooter equal to 1:2. Okay, number B, that is 5 meter to 10 kilometer. Okay, just find out 5 meter to, so in rational order 5 meter to 10 kilometer equal to, look here at upper side, that is meter is given and here kilometer is there, and I already told you that both are having same unit. Okay, so we convert meter into kilometer, otherwise kilometer into meter. So 5 meter divided by 10 kilometer means 10 into 1000 meter. Here 1000 cut, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, so upper side is 1 and here 2 into 1000, that is 2000. Okay, so what is the ratio? Ratio equal to 1:2000. Okay, third one is C is 50 paise to 5 rupees. Okay, so write down 50 paise and here 5 rupees. Look, paise and rupees. Okay, so they are not same in unit, so what to do? Convert rupees into paisa. So 50 paisa equal to 5 rupees. 5 rupees means 5 into 100 paisa, because 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Paisa 50 ones are, 50 twos are, so here ones are and 5 twos are 10. So our ratio equal to 1:10. 1/10 means 1:10. Okay, now question number 2, it's convert the following ratio to percentage. Okay, ratios are given, we just convert into percentage here. In that first one is 3:4. Okay, convert 3:4, that means 3/4. Okay, that is ratio, and if you want to convert in percentage, so what to do? Yesterday I told you that 3 into 4 into 100, you just multiply with 100 to convert into percentage. Okay, so that is 25 and 25 threes are 75 percentage. Okay, otherwise one more method, look what to do. 3/4 is there and in percentage we need denominator equal to 100, so what to do? Multiply with 25 to get 100 here. Same here 25, so 25 threes are 75/100, that is 75 out of 100. Out of 100 means percentage, 75 percentage. Okay, now B, that is 2:3 equal to 2/3, and percentage of that one is 2/3 into 100. Okay, now it's not possible, so what to do? Multiply 100 into 2, that is 200 divided by 3. Now convert 200 divided by 3 into decimal, otherwise in mixed fraction. Here we convert into mixed fraction. So what to do? Divide 200 with 3. 3 6 are 18. That is 2 0. Again 3 6 are 18. Again 2. Now no number is there, so put decimal and here 0. Again 6 are, okay, 18 2. It's continuously, so we write down that one, 6.6%. Okay, otherwise 6.66 continuously, so next number is 6, so 6.7%. Okay, clear? So that's your answer. Now question number 3, read that one. Look, total 72% of students are good in mathematics. How many are not good in mathematics? Okay, here percentage of students who are good in mathematics is given and total students are given. Okay, so first we find out who are not good in maths in percentage. Okay, look, 72% are good in maths. Okay, so number of students not good in maths, actually not number, that is percentage of students. Okay, total percentage is 100, minus 72 are good, that is 28%. Okay, total percentage is 100, we know that total is 100, 72 are good, so minus 72 means 28 are not good. Okay, so 7 8 28. Now total students is, so total students equal to 25, it's given. That means 28% of 25 are not good. Okay, so number of students not good in maths equal to 28%. 28% of 25 equal to 28% means 28 divided by 100 into, of means into, we know that 25. So 25 4s are, and 28 divided by 4, that is 7, means 7 students. 7 students are not good in maths. Okay, next one. Look, it's 4. The football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches. Total matches are not given, but here number of matches they won is given. Okay, if their winning person is 40, means they won 40% matches. Okay, then how many matches they play? You just find out the total matches they did play. Okay, so first we write down here the informations. Look, matches they won means matches won equal to 10 matches. Okay, and percentage, winning percentage, percentages of match win equal to 40%. Okay, but total matches are not given. 40% of total matches. Okay, so suppose we take, suppose they played X matches. Okay, now they won 40%. Okay, 40% of this one means number of matches they won equal to 40%. 40% of total means 40% of X. Okay, that is 40% means 40 divided by 100 of X means multiply with X. Okay, that is the number of matches they won, and here number of matches they won is 10 is given. Okay, means both are the same values, number of matches won. Okay, means they are equal. So 40 upon 100 into x equal to 10. Both are the value of matches they won, means they are equal. Okay, now change the side of this one. So x equal to 10, 100 is at division side, we convert, change the side, that is in come at upper side. Okay, and 40 is here, 0 0 cut. Now 4 means 2 into 2, so 2 5 are 2 5 are, so x equal to 5 into 5, that is 25. X means number of matches, here we guess number of total matches. Okay, that means total matches they played equal to 25. That's your answer. Okay, now next one, number 5. Look here. If the Chameli had 600 rupees left after spending 75% of her money, okay, how much did she have in beginning? Okay, after spending 75%, she had left 600 rupees. Okay, so here first we write down money spending equal to 75%. Okay, now she is spending 75% money. Okay, so money left with her equal to, total is 100 minus 75 means 25%. Okay, she had 25% now. Okay, now total is not given, starting money is not given. Okay, so suppose at beginning she had x rupees. Okay, now money left her, that is 25% of x means money left after spending equal to 25% of x. 25% of x total. 25% means 25 upon 100. Of means into x. Okay, that is 25 upon 100 into x. And value of money left her, that is given. Okay, look here. Chameli had 600 rupees left after spending. Okay, and here money left after spending, that is 25 upon 100 into x, means both are the same. So 25 upon 100 into x, that is 600. Money she had. Okay, now change the side. So x equal to 600 into 100 divided by 25. Okay, 100 here division side, we change the side, that is converted into multiple, and that one is at division. 25 4s are 100. Okay, so x equal to 600 into 4, that is 2400 rupees. X means money she had at beginning. Okay, so Chameli had 2400 rupees at beginning. Okay, at beginning. Clear? That's your answer. Now next one, number 6. Look here. If the 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and remaining like other games. Okay, so and total number of peoples are 50 lakhs. First we write down the games they like. Okay, so Number of people like cricket, that is 60%. Okay, like football equal to 30%, and other games equal to, that is not given, but we know that a total is 100, so 100 minus sum total of these two. Okay, we subtract these two numbers, so we get the percentage of other games, that is 60 plus 30 into bracket, means 100 minus 90, that is 10%. Okay, means 10% people like the other games. Now number of people, total people equal to 50 lakh, that means 50 lakh, like that. Now we find out the number of people who like cricket, football and other games. First we write down number of people like cricket equal to 60%. 60% they like football. 60% of total, that is 50 lakhs. Okay, of 50 lakh, that means 60% means 60 upon 100, of means multiply 50 lakh. Now 20 cut, so 6 5s are 30, and 1 2 3 4 and 5 zeros, like that. That means 30 lakhs equal to 30 lakh. 30 lakh students like cricket. Now number of peoples like, number of people like football equal to, that is 30%. 30% of 50 lakh, that means 30 upon 100 into 50 lakh. 1010 cut, 1010 cut, equal to 5 3s are 15 and 5 zeros, that means 15 lakh. Okay, and last one is other games. Number of people like other games equal to, that is 10%. 10% of 50 lakh equal to, 10% means 10 upon 100 into 50 lakh. 1010 cut, 1010 cut, that is 5 lakh equal to 5 lakh. Okay, that means the 30 lakh students, peoples like cricket, 15 lakhs like football, and 5 lakh like other games. Okay, so here our exercise 8.1 is complete. You just complete 8.1 in your notebook. Okay, thank you.